You know when you just like overthink something and you just like feel that all your ideas are bad because you're just kind of like at like a creative block? Sometimes I just like to take the pressure off by just telling myself like, let's just make something bad instead. I bet like 100% of the time, as soon as you like lay down an idea, you're going to want to fix it and make it sound good. So it's just basically like tricking yourself to get started. Yeah, I just like to take that pressure off myself. I'm going to go through and just like find something, pick like a preset that just stands out. All right, I've sort of picked this preset out of this bank. It's a Jupiter 8 bank in Xenology. Basically, once you got it to that point, like it's over, like you've already won. If you're like me, like that's the hardest part. Like good luck not finishing this idea. Like I'm already just like, now we need to build around this. It's like 2 to 4 minutes of like a little bit of tedious work. And also that's another thing. I'm going to save this set and I'll show you. This is my default live set. When I open it up, we've already got a 4-bar MIDI clip loaded in. So I can just go and draw, and then I already have Xenology preloaded on that channel, so it saves me, like this is definitely my most used like VST, and the fact that when I literally just click on Ableton, it will preload this, so that track's just ready for me to just go. And it's all just like those small little incremental things that will just be able to help you create more and more consistently. I'll come up with an idea, finish that, open a new set to like start a new idea. If I'm trying to just like smash out like heaps of loops or heaps of beats, imagine how much time you'd save in a year every time like you open up a set, and then you have to go and like find the exact plugin that you want. You got to go like over into this sidebar and like click on it, load it up. What you do essentially, create your own live set, like set up how you want it to look exactly when you open Ableton, and then you go over in this you go up the top to like file, and you could go save live set as a default set. And then what that's going to do by default, that's what will load up when you load Ableton. So yeah, that's a pretty common thing that people do. Some people have like effects chains and stuff. But yeah, just speeds up your workflow, and you're not wasting time when you have ideas. Wow, it's so crazy how simple it can be, and we created that idea. And I didn't even feel like making music today, you know what I mean? I always like to just try this resampling because I always get interesting results. Yeah, it's good to just try this because it usually comes off and just like makes something that I wouldn't expect it to, and it sounds really good, and then it's just like a whole new section. Just like that. That's the first couple things that I hit on my keyboard. there's this little button here. It's like a headphone, and it plays the note, like it auditions the note before you play it back. So it's really handy. Sometimes it's good to have it off because it can be annoying. But when I'm doing like chopped up sounds, I find it really helpful so I don't have to like play it back all the time. Alright, so that's it for the video. Go check out my Patreon if you want to support this channel. If not, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.